Okay, if anyone has that, tell me that what is the Rolle's theorem?
It is continuous in closed interval a comma b
Hmm.
and differentiable in open interval
Hmm.
a comma b.
Okay.
And f of a is
And
equals to
f
f
of
of
a
b.
is equals to f of b.
F of
Should
A
be
is-
satisfied.
okay.
There exists at least one point in C, open a comma.
Writing to this, the first condition is f of x is a function. You can give into the f of x is a function. So it is said to be is a satisfying to the Rolle's theorem or not means it is continuous. It is continuous function in closed interval of a comma b. Okay, and second condition, it is differentiable. Differentiable
in
function,
open interval.
in open interval of a
A
comma
comma
b.
b.
Third condition, f of a is equal to f of
F of b.
F of
this
B.
will be satisfied. After that, you can find the
Third condition.
there exist. We can write into f dash of c is equal to 0.
0.
Okay, you C is the C is belongs to open interval of a comma b. లేదా మనం ఇలా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. Or you have the writing a is less than c is less than b. A is less than c is less than b. Okay, is a Rolle's theorem.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Next, their geometrical interpretation. The geometrical interpretation of the three conditions of this. First one is a continuous function. F of x is a continuous function. For example, I will take that some curve. The curve you can take into the f y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x is continuous. Is continuous in closed interval of a comma b. Closed interval of a comma b. And the second condition, at every point, at x equal to c, at x is equal to c, here c is we can take into the a is less than c is less than b, open interval of a comma b, and the point of curve is tangent, is the writing to the point of tangent is c comma f of c. F of c on the curve y is equal to f of x is unique, is the unique point. So next, third condition, we have giving to the f of a and f of b. F of a is equal to are the two endpoints of the curve. Y is equal to f of x and is corresponding to the x is equal to a and x is equal to b. F of a is equal to f of b. These two endpoints of the curve y is equal to f of x. They have the same having to the coordinates is x is equal to a and respectively x is equal to b, and the same coordinates, and they have into the same height or same depth. So the reflections in the x-axis, the tangent, if you have the tangent of line is the parallel to the x-axis. This is the interpretation of the Rolle's theorem. Here this two we can drawing to the one graph model, we can write into the here. This is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. So upper curve means we can writing this like upper curve and second one is x-axis and y-axis lower curve. So we have the every point at x is equal to c, means we can give and taking to the some point. This is A and this is B. Okay, and we have taking to this with this point. Okay, if tangent of curve means if any surface is touch on one point, it is on the one point, that line passing through the one point, that line will be called as a tangent of the curve. Sorry, tangent of the curve. Just wait. Tangent of the curve. So here this curve we can take into this. This point is touching in the tangent line is C. Okay, so we can touching into the point at C. So this point we can write into the f of C. This is f of x curve. We can write into the x is equal to C. We can write into this point is tangent point C comma f of C. At every point x is equal to C, A is less than, C is less than B. The tangent point is f of C comma f of C. If you are on the curve y is equal to f of x, it is a unique point. They have into the same interpretation the depth also. This point is C and A and B. Okay, here and the second point is f of A and f of B. F of A and f of B. This point f of A and this point f of B. Both are the equal. Equal means we have the same height or same depth. We can have into the same height and same depth. We can points of the coordinates x is equal to A and x is equal to B. And this tangent line is parallel to the x-axis. Are you clear, ma? Any doubt in this? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay, write down, ma. Cheptanu rayandi. Side heading is geometric interpretation. Geometric interpretation of Rolle's theorem geometrical interpretation of Rolle's theorem. Write down. Geometrically, tell me. Hello. Geometric interpretation of Rolle's theorem. Side heading. Write down. Geometrically, the three assumptions in Rolle's theorem mean the following. First point, the curve y is equal to f of x. The curve y is equal to f of x is continuous in closed interval, a comma b. Second point, at every point x is equal to c at every point, x is equal to c, where a is less than, c is less than b. A is less than, c is less than b, comma, at the point c comma f of c, at the point c comma f of c, on the curve y is equal to f of x, y is equal to f of x, there is unique tangent to the curve, unique tangent to the curve. Third point, f of a is equal to f of b, f of a is equal to f of b, that is the two endpoints of the curve, y is equal to f of x, corresponding to x is equal to a, comma, x is equal to b, have the same ordinate, that is they are at the same height or depth with reference to the x-axis, Next, there is at least one point, on the curve where the tangent is parallel to the x-axis, according to Rolle's theorem. Draw the figures. Sorry. Draw the figures. Complete అవుతే చెప్పండి figures. అమ్మా ఏంటినా 121
సార్
చెప్పనా రైస్ చేశారు కదా అండ్
సార్ అయిపోయింది.
అయిపోయిందా ఓకే write down the problem. Verify Rolle's theorem. Verify Rolle's theorem for f of x is equal to x plus 2 whole cube x minus 3 whole to the power of 4 x minus 3 whole to the power of 4 in closed interval of minus 2 comma 3 minus 2 comma 3. Okay, you have to write the solution for this. Okay, given function, given f of x is equal to x plus 2 whole cube into x minus 3 whole to the power of 4 in closed interval of minus 2 comma 3. Okay, and here we can write into this is a we observe this f of x is equal to x plus 2 whole cube and into x minus 3 whole to the power of 4 is a polynomial like algebraic expressions. So this algebraic expression or algebraic polynomial, they have continuous functions in the interval of minus 2 comma 3. So we can write into, therefore f of x is polynomial, is a polynomial, is a polynomial in x, and hence f of x is continuous in closed interval minus 2 comma 3, closed interval minus 2 comma 3. Okay,
Condition రాయాలా సార్
so
అట్లా?
next second condition is it is differentiable. So given enana
కండిషన్ అట్లా రాయాలా సార్?
tell me. Hello,
అదే సార్ అక్కడ f of x
రాయాలి. f of x is a polynomial. Here f of x is polynomial in x. x terms తోనే కదా మనం రాస్తుంది polynomial అనేది. సో ఈ polynomial కాబట్టి algebraic expression మనం నార్మల్ గా చూసుకుంటే algebraic expression. So it is a continuous function in the interval of minus 2 comma 3. ఓకే, దీంట్లో మనకి మిడిల్ లో ఏ వాల్యూస్ వస్తున్నాయని మనకి తర్వాత విషయం. ఓకేనా, సో ఫస్ట్ యూ ఫైండ్ ద f dash of x differentiable. Okay, second condition is f dash of x. So equation 1, both sides differentiate with respect step radham. D by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of x plus 2 whole cube into x minus 3 whole to the power of 4. So we can write into the f dash of x is equal to, you know that d by dx of u into v. D by dx of u into v is equal to u into v dash plus v into
u dash.
u dash. So our formula మనం యూజ్ చేసుకుందాం. So first term is u, second term is v. Okay, so we can write in x plus 2 whole cube d by dx of x minus 3 whole to the power of 4 plus x minus 3 whole to the power of 4 d by dx. Okay, so we can get into the f dash of is equal to, okay, d by dx of x to the power of n form. X to the power of n అంటే ఎంత వస్తుందన్నా? n into
x to the power of n minus 1.
n into x to the power of n minus 1.
Sir, so, d by dx into x plus 2 square, 2 power whole power 3 కదా sir. x plus 2 whole power 3 కదా sir, ఇక లాస్ట్ లో ముందు లైన్ లో.
అవునా x plus 2
అక్కడ పెట్టలేదు కదా సార్, అందుకని.
ఎక్కడ పెట్టలేదు? ఇక్కడ
ఫైనల్ లైన్ లో లాస్ట్ లో సార్.
ఓకే, ఇక్కడ క్యూబ్ పెట్టలేదా? నెక్స్ట్ 3 into x minus 3 whole to the power of 4 x plus 2 whole to the power of 2. Can you write? రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా? దీంట్లో కామన్ వచ్చే టర్మ్స్ తీస్తారా? ఈ రెండు టర్మ్స్ లో కామన్ ఏమో వస్తున్నాయి చెప్పండి.
x minus 3
whole cube x plus 2 whole square. Remaining terms ఏంటి?
plus 3
4 into x plus 2 నా ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో.
అవును సార్.
సెకండ్ దాంట్లో 3 into x minus 3. సో సింప్లిఫై చేసి చెప్పండి నాన్న, f dash of x ఏమొస్తుందో. x minus 3 whole cube x plus 2 whole square into 4x plus 3x 7x 8 minus 9 minus 1 is equal to 0. Sorry, is not equal to 0. Okay, so these are differentiable in thus exist f dash of x exist అవుతుంది. No. Next. చెప్పనా?
ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ ఎంతలో ఉన్నారా మీరు
సార్? 12. So next condition, third condition, f of a is equal to f of b. So here equation 1 substitute okay, here a is equal to -2 and b is equal to 3. So we can write into the f of 2, f of -2. F of -2 is equal to -2 plus 2 whole cube into -2 plus 3, sorry, -3, sorry, -3 whole to the power of 4. F of 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 whole cube into 3 minus 3 all to the power of 4. What do you get the answers? This one. What is the answers this one? Zero na?
0 sir.
ఏనా లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ అయ్యేసరికి బోర్డు వస్తుందా? There's three conditions. Conditions of Rolle's theorem satisfied. So you requiring they're existing to the dash of c and means f dash of x and ఏమొచ్చిందన్న మనకి ఈక్వేషన్
x minus 3 whole cube plus
ఇదేనా? ఈక్వేషన్ అన్నా? హలో
సార్,
ఈక్వేషన్ లో x ప్లస్ లో c సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. చెప్పండి. c మైనస్ హోల్ క్యూబ్ c ప్లస్ 2 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ 7c minus 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఇప్పుడు c ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ చెప్పండి అన్న వాల్యూస్. c is equal to how much? Three. C is equal to -2 or C is equal to 1/7. Okay na? So C is equal to 1/7. Here C is equal to 1/7 is belongs to -2, 3 నైనా ఈ బిట్వీన్ లోనే ఉంటుంది కదా 1/7 అనేది. So it is verified. Therefore hence Rolle's theorem is verified. That's it. ఇంకా ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా క్వశ్చన్ లో, ప్రాబ్లం లో? హలో.
No sir.
No. Remaining persons.
సార్ ఇంకోసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారా?
ఓకే. Seema, verify the Rolle's theorem for f of x is equal to x plus 2 whole cube, x minus 3 whole to the power of 4 in interval of -2, 3. Here given function is f of x is equal to x plus 2 whole cube, x minus 3 whole to the power of 4, and given interval is minus 2 comma 3. So it is a polynomial form or algebraic expression. So this is a polynomial in the terms of x. So f of x is a continuous function in minus 2 comma 3. మనకి మైనస్ 2 కామా 3లో ఇది కంటిన్యూస్ ఫంక్షన్ అని తెలిసిపోతుంది. మనం ఆల్రెడీ నిన్న క్లాస్లో చెప్పుకున్నాం ఏది కంటిన్యూస్ ఫంక్షన్స్ అవుతాయి, ఏది నాన్ కంటిన్యూస్ డిస్కంటిన్యూస్ అవుతాయి అని చెప్పాము. సో ఆ కండిషన్ బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్గా రాసేసాము. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఇస్ ఏ పాలినామియల్ in x and hence f of x is a continuous function in closed interval of minus 2 comma 3. In your Rolle's theorem, first condition is satisfied. What is the second condition? F of x is differentiable in open interval of a comma b. అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన ఫంక్షన్ ఏంటి? f of x is differentiable in open interval of minus 2 comma 3. ఓకే, సో దానికోసం నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను, ఈక్వేషన్ 1 ని both sides differentiate with respect to x.
99 66
103 unmute. Okay, the equation for first equation we have the both sides differentiate with respect to x. d by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of x plus 2 whole cube into x minus 3 whole to the power of 4. So it is a form of d by dx of u into v. We know that u into v is u into v dash plus v into u dash. So here we can write into that expression form, and they have the simplifying. You know that and d by dx of x to the power of n, that is n into x to the power of n minus 1. So that formula we can use in here. F dash of x is equal to 4 into x plus 2 whole cube into x minus 3 whole to the power of 4 plus 3 into x minus 3 whole to the power of 4 into x plus 2 whole square. మనము 3 ని 4 ని ముందుకు ఎందుకు రాసాను అంటే అది కాన్స్టెంట్ కాబట్టి to keep the in front of the term. ఓకే, దానికోసమే రాశాను, వేరే ఉద్దేశం ఏమి లేదు. ఒకవేళ ప్లస్ ఉంటే మళ్ళీ అక్కడికి తీసుకెళ్ళి రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది. సో ఈ 2 టర్మ్స్ లో మనకి కామన్ గా వచ్చేసి ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 2 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఒకటి, ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 3 హోల్ క్యూబ్. దిస్ 2 టర్మ్స్ ఇస్ కామన్ ఇన్ ద.
సార్ ఫైనల్ స్టెప్ ఒక్కసారి చెప్పండి.
ఏది నాన్న?
4 into x plus 2 whole cube అక్కడ
ఇదా?
అదే
d by dx of x to the power of n అన్నానా?
అవును సార్.
n అనేది 4ఆ?
ఎస్ సార్.
సో మనం ఇక్కడ ఏమని రాసాను, n into x to the power of n minus 1. ఓకే, ఈ 4 ని ముందుకు రాశాను అన్న, ఇక్కడ 4 ని ముందుకు రాసుకున్నాను ఎందుకంటే మళ్ళీ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఇక్కడ రాయకుండా, అంటే మనం యాక్చువల్లీ ఇక్కడ రాయొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ రాయకుండా నేను ముందే రాశాను. ఇక్కడ మనం ఇక్కడ 3 రాసుకోవచ్చు, ఇక్కడ రాయకుండా నేను ముందు రాసేసాను ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, అది నీ ఇష్టం, నువ్వు ఎక్కడ రాసినా మార్క్స్ ఏం కట్ కావు. సో జాగ్రత్తగా రాయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. ఓకే, so here we have the using in the 4 into x plus 2 whole cube into x minus 3 whole to the power of 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3, and here 3 is writing to here 3, x minus 3 whole to the power of 4 into x plus 2 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means we can get into the 2. So x plus 2 whole to the power of 2. And in this expression, we having to the common terms x minus 3 whole cube, x plus 2 whole square. These 2 terms will take the common. The remaining terms 4 into x plus 2 plus 3 into x minus 3. So this open the brackets 4x. 4x plus 8 plus 3x minus 9. So x terms add చేసుకుంటే 7x 8 minus 9 is minus 1. Okay, and so this is we can write into and here we have the using into the f dash of x is there is existing in the minus 2 comma 3 minus 2 comma 3 ఎందుకంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ 2 and 3 is getting to the function is satisfied. Another value also is there is existing, so that value also in between to the f dash of x minus 2 comma 3, so it is satisfied. So our second condition also is satisfied. Third condition, what is the third condition? If f of a is equal to f of b, so here a is equal to given interval is minus 2 and 3. So we can substitute in these values. F of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 whole cube minus 2 minus 3 whole to the power of 4. This term is 0, 0 into something is 0. And 3 substituting, 3 plus 2 whole cube, 3 minus 3 whole to the power of 4. The second term is 0, 0 into something is 0. You can get into the both are the equal. F of minus 2 is equal to f of 3. Our third condition is f of a is equal to f of b. These three conditions will be satisfied. That is Rolle's theorem. Thus, three conditions of the Rolle's theorem is satisfied. So f dash of c is equal to 0, such that point at the point of c in the open interval of a and b. C belongs to a and b, so we can write into the f dash of c is equal to 0. So f dash of c is equal to, you know that f dash of x x minus 3 whole cube, x plus 2 whole square, 7x minus 1. We have replacing by x is by c. So c minus 3 whole cube and c plus 2 whole square, 7c minus 1. Okay, and these two terms and the RHS side, you can get into the c minus 3 whole cube is equal to 0. So c minus 3 is equal to 0 and c is equal to 3. Like c plus 2 whole square, keep the LHS side, remaining terms you can send the RHS side. You get into the c plus 2 whole square is equal to 0, c plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Later 7 c minus 1 you can keep on LHS side, remaining part we can send to the RHS side. You can get into the 7c minus 1 is equal to 0, 7c is equal to 1, c is equal to 1 by 7. So these terms 1 by 7 is existing in between to the minus 2 comma 3. So hence Rolle's theorem is verified. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any queries, any doubts in this problem? Anybody? Any doubt to have there? You can raise your hands. కంప్లీట్ అవుతా చెప్పండి అమ్మా. All of you completed, ma?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Yes, ma, complete. Okay. Write down problems. You only do homework.
Sir, completed.
Okay. Yeah. Write down question. Verify. Verify whether. Verify whether Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem can be applied to the following functions in intervals cited. First question. F of x is equal to tan x. F of x is equal to tan x in 0, pi. Second one, f of x is equal to 1 by x square. 1 by x square in minus 1. 21. Third one. 121. Unmute yourself. F of x cube in closed interval of 1, 3. 1, 3. Write down these questions. కంప్లీట్ అవుతే చెప్పండి.
Completed, sir.
రిమైనింగ్ మెంబర్స్.
సార్ అయిపోయింది.
కంప్లీట్ సార్.
Okay ma, thank you, and tomorrow will be discuss remaining topic.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే సార్.
సత్య